Did you know this guy was born in small village in a poor family with a charismatic and mystic personality? Once he made Queen of the Russia fell in love with himself. This is Rasputin. This is Grigory Rasputin, who is from Siberia. And this is day 11 where I have started recording myself and uploading it on YouTube until I get fluent in English. We have already missed 2 days. Not wasting time, let's start video on the Grigory Rasputin. This is a very good story, and there are lots of non-positive words attached with Grigory Rasputin, but we are not going to talk about that. Let's just talk about how he got himself as the so much powerful person at the time, yet so much hated also. Grigory Rasputin was born in 1869 in a small village and poor family in Siberia. He had worked in his farm, and he had very charismatic personality. After that, he had gone to Russia. Uh, he roamed many monasteries and learned their customs, their rituals. By the time he became famous in the Russia. uh, you cannot imagine. There is lots of legend and lots of myth about this guy, but one is there is one fact that every girl he met had fell in love with himself. Even the queen of the Russia at the time, the queen of the Russia, and everyone say he was only the one who was the outsider, had a relationship in royal family royal family. And he was famous because he was famous as a spiritual healer, and whoever he made that guy or that girl fell in love with him with his charismatic and mystic personality. This guy has lots of non-positive word attached with his name. Let's not talk about that. And let's talk about how he got break into the Russian royal family. Uh, the the king and a queen had a boy named Alexei. Was the their fifth child, and the only child who was boy. Had a Was sick because of hemophile, or that name is similar, hemophile. And they they have they have done lots of things to cure this illness, but they were not able to do that. So they have also heard about they got also heard about this Grigory Rasputin, who was famous as a spiritual healer who can heal anyone and anything. They call him, and with his that charismatic and mystic personality, he got over the king and queen. He even made queen fell in love with himself. That was that was very interesting to know how can a guy from small village and poor family can gain so much influence over royal queen and king. He even stopped this medicine which was prescribed by the doctors before him. I don't know the full story. Was the boy got cured or not? because and another fact that this royal family was the last ruling. Uh, the king at the time was the last ruling king on the Russia. After that, communist and socialist take over the Russia. So guys, this is the end today. I know I'm not fumbling, but I am smiling, uh, smiling. I stuck at because I don't have vocabulary to talk. That's why I'm making this video to learn new word. So next time you can see my first video and this video, you will see how much difference it got. Okay, bye.